Starting crypto can feel risky, but it doesn't have to be. There's a smarter way for beginners to trade safely. The crypto code is a system built to give beginners structure and confidence. With ready-made trade alerts, easy to follow strategies, and powerful tools, you can trade without guessing. It works for anyone, from total beginners to people with some crypto experience. The system focuses on repeatable, reliable trades so you can build your skills while seeing consistent results. Daily, members share real wins, not hype, making crypto predictable and manageable. This is the kind of framework that helps you stay in control and grow steadily over time. Take the first step today. Join the Crypto Code free workshop and access weekly trade alerts to get started. Click the link in the description and start trading smarter.